So I've got two different ways you can go ahead and treat bug bites. I wanted to show you the differences so that way you can make up your mind, decide which one you like. We've got one that's completely chemical free. This one has some chemicals, but they're not harsh chemicals. This one here, for instance, we'll go ahead and start here. This actually has hydrocolloid. Now what that does, these patches, they actually absorb the fluid from the skin. They perform a protective barrier, kind of like a bubble, and that helps maintain the moisture around that bite, and that way it can heal quicker. But it also has aloe vera and witch hazel, and they come in, we've got 36 of these patches. They're different sizes, different colors. I mean, these are great for kids and adults too. I like these too, and they're super easy to apply. They're on these little strips here. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna kind of pull that off, and you can see right here, it's a real thin patch. Just gonna put that on there like that, and you're ready to go. I mean, these are small enough, both of these are small enough you can easily put these in purse, backpacks, your pockets, anything like that to carry around. Now, both of these do come in these similar envelopes. They are resealable. All you have to do is just kind of press that, and it's gonna be sealed up. Now, this does have 36, this does have 32. And these don't use chemicals whatsoever. That's what's interesting about these. I've never seen this before. I was looking through the reviews before I purchased both of these, and this one was really surprising. I thought, I'm going to give this a try. These do come in different colors too, just like the other ones. Now, of course, you can see here these patches, these are a lot bigger than these, because since these don't operate with any chemicals, the way these operate is that they mechanically adjust the skin to help the lymphatic system drain the insect saliva. So that's a new one there. I've never heard of that, but evidently that definitely works. These are easy to pull off too. I mean, you can see how thin they are. Super thin. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna lay that across your skin, put it on there like that, over the insect bite, and then you're done. I mean, kids love both of these with all the different colors. Of course, these all have different sizes. I will say one big difference is this is 32, this is 36. So this is a little bit better value because it does come with some more. But if you're looking for something completely chemical free, this is definitely the way to go. If you don't mind aloe vera and witch hazel, and maybe you want a little bit more colors and you want some different sizes, and since it has 36 versus 32, this is the way to go. But these are just two different ways you can go ahead and treat those insect bites. I've got so many insects around my house. I got so many mosquitoes outside. That's why I thought I would go ahead and use these and just try them out. On the back side here, this is where we do have some information about this. It's just general how you use it, but it's really just clean the area on your skin, make sure it's nice and dry, and apply, and that's it. Hope you found this review helpful.